there, AFI fragrance fam. My name is Beth. This video will show you how to make trendy squeezable wax melts with just a couple of ingredients and our version of Volcano Capri Blue by Aztec Fragrance Oil. To make the wax soft enough to squeeze into a wax warmer, you'll need to cut it with a liquid or soft solid oil. Many oils work well for this. Mineral oil is a common choice and is typically used at a 1-to-1 ratio with the wax. For this project, I'm using about 2 parts coconut to 1 part wax. My wax of choice today is our in-house premium soy wax 4600, which is great for tons of candle projects, including wax melts. Split the ingredients in half and pick 2 colors to achieve a 2-tone look. To match the fragrance notes, I'm going with blue and yellow. Solid and liquid candle dyes both work well for these melts. Melt half of the coconut oil and soy wax together in a melting pot or over a double boiler. While they're melting, add in the first color you'll be using. Once everything comes together, remove it from the heat source when it reaches about 175 degrees Fahrenheit. At this point, you can add half the fragrance and stir well for a minute or so. We recommend a 12% fragrance load in squeezable wax melts. Having a carrier oil in the mix lets you add a little more fragrance than usual without having to worry about leaching. To keep the plastic pouches from warping, make sure you let the temperature drop to 112 degrees or lower before filling each of them halfway. Use a funnel to help get everything in through the nozzle of the pouches. Let the first layer cool completely before you add the second one. After a couple hours, the first pour should be opaque but still squishy. Now you're ready for the next layer. Repeat all the previous steps using a different color than before. Be extra sure the wax mixture is on the cooler side before filling up the pouches so it doesn't melt into the first layer too much. A little blending is fine and will give your melts a tie-dye look, but the cooler everything is, the crisper the divide between the colors will be. Grab the funnel again and top off each of the pouches. You can leave them to swirl on their own or squish them a bit to mix the colors up a bit more. And here's how they turned out. To use a squeezable wax melt, squish the bag to soften the mixture up and squeeze a bit out into a wax warmer. You'll be surprised at how well these throw fragrance. They're easy to make, use, and transport, making them a fun addition to a line of other wax melts and candles. Let me know if you've seen these melts before and if you've tried your hand at making them. Don't hesitate to leave us any comments you might have about using our fragrances or managing your home fragrance business down below. To get in touch, check out our socials and find out how to enter one of our monthly $1,000 giveaways. Like and subscribe to become a member of the AFI Fragrance fam, and I'll see you again here on our channel soon. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Bye.